What's up, guys? It is Friday afternoon. I just got out in the shop getting ready to pull the motor out of the Chevelle. Gonna pull it out, start seam sealing this deal up, and get some paint on it. Anyways, I'll do a little time lapse here. Hopefully you guys enjoy. Motor out. Now I'm going to take the mid plate loose, take all the steering stuff out, the brake master cylinder. I'm going to get it out of the way, seam seal all this stuff up that needs seam sealed up, and that's the next step. Just give you guys an idea, see if I can get out of the glare here. Give you guys an idea, I seam sealed all the spots that needed seam seal. It's always a good idea to seam seal anywhere that it's been welded, just in case there's a little hole. Obviously you want to seal it up the best you can, but I wanted to show kind of what I got going on there. It's all seam sealed in, and then I'll show you guys once it's all painted. Yeah, buddy. Okay, back out here. It's Saturday now. Today I basically masked the Chevelle off to paint the cage and the firewall. I painted the firewall yesterday, seam sealed it all up, painted all that yesterday, and then today I crawled all over this thing, painting the cage and whatnot. I'll flip. There's a firewall. Turned out pretty good. Go in here in the cage, dash. I think I went through 9 cans of paint. I don't know if you guys have ever painted roll cage tubing, but it is a nightmare. Getting up there in the funny car cage was probably the biggest pain in the butt without running at all. I probably will do like the carbon strips right here, the wear strips or whatever. I'll probably put those on there just to kind of keep the cage. It always looks like crap when crawling in and out of the cage and it rubs all the paint off of it. Anyways, that'll probably do it for this video, guys. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys later. Bye.